The scrap shear CI 7000 is a formidable force in the metal recycling industry, designed to tackle the toughest materials with ease. This powerful machine boasts high efficiency and durability, making it perfect for processing a wide variety of scrap metals. With advanced hydraulic capabilities, the CI 7000 effortlessly cuts through large pieces of metal, reducing them to manageable sizes for recycling. Its robust construction and cutting-edge technology ensure precision and speed, maximizing productivity while minimizing waste. Ideal for scrap yards and recycling facilities, the Scrap Shear CI 7000 excels at processing everything from light residential metal waste to heavy industrial scrap. Its design prioritizes safety and ease of use, incorporating features that protect operators and streamline the shearing process. Experience the power of the Scrap Shear CI 7000 as it transforms bulky scrap into valuable recycled materials, contributing to a more sustainable environment. The rotor scrap shear stands out as a powerhouse in the demolition and recycling industry, designed to cut through various types of metal scrap with precision and ease. This advanced shear is built to endure the rigorous demands of heavy-duty environments, featuring robust construction and high-grade materials that ensure longevity and reliability. Equipped with a powerful hydraulic system, the rotor scrap shear delivers immense cutting force, enabling it to slice through steel beams, pipes, and other industrial scrap effortlessly. Its design prioritizes operator safety and efficiency, incorporating features such as speed valves and 360-degree rotational ability to enhance maneuverability and productivity on site. Ideal for scrapyards and demolition sites, the rotor scrap shear not only boosts productivity but also aids in the crucial process of metal recycling, helping conserve resources and reduce waste. This tool is a critical asset for businesses looking to maximize their scrap processing capabilities. The VRS Car Dismantler is an innovative tool designed for efficient and environmentally friendly vehicle recycling. This machine excels in rapidly breaking down cars into their component parts, allowing recyclers to easily separate valuable materials like metals, plastics, and fluids for proper disposal or reuse. Equipped with advanced hydraulic technology, the VRS Car Dismantler handles the process with precision, minimizing the risk of environmental contamination. Its robust design enables the processing of multiple vehicles per day, significantly enhancing productivity and profitability for recycling operations. This essential equipment helps modern recycling facilities meet stringent environmental regulations while maximizing resource recovery. The VRS Car Dismantler is not just a tool. It's a solution to the growing need for sustainable automotive recycling practices. Experience the sheer power of the Cat D11T dozer as it effortlessly crushes a Pontiac in our latest demonstration of heavy machinery strength and durability. This iconic bulldozer, renowned for its massive size and formidable strength, showcases its capabilities in an unconventional test, proving the immense force it can exert. The D11T's heavy-duty blade approaches the vehicle, and within moments the car is flattened, highlighting the dozer's potential for handling challenging and heavy materials. This spectacle not only demonstrates the dozer's efficiency in demolition tasks, but also its versatility in various industrial applications. Watch as the Cat D11T transforms a solid car into a mere shadow of metal, all in a day's work. In an extraordinary display of power, the Cat D11 dozer goes head-to-head with a school bus in a thrilling test of sheer strength. Renowned for its robust build and incredible pushing force, the Cat D11, one of the heaviest and most efficient dozers in the world, showcases its capabilities in this unconventional matchup. As the dozer advances, its massive blade makes contact with the school bus. The bus, no match for the D11's might, crumples under the pressure as the dozer effortlessly pushes it across the field. This demonstration not only highlights the D11's prowess in moving large obstacles, but also underscores its potential in demolition and clearing operations, proving that when it comes to heavy-duty tasks, the Cat D11 is a true behemoth. Watch as the Bomag refuse compactor takes on an incredible challenge, demonstrating its crushing power by flattening two cars. Designed to compress and compact various materials, this heavy-duty machine shows off its versatility and strength in a striking display. Positioned over the cars, the Bomag unleashes its full weight and robust rollers, transforming functional vehicles into compact sheets of metal. This event highlights the compactor's efficiency in handling large and resistant materials and its potential applications in waste management and recycling. The ability to significantly reduce the size of bulky items aids in space saving and streamlines the disposal process, illustrating the Bomag's essential role in industrial and environmental operations. Witness the formidable JCB 100 excavator in action as it crushes a car with absolute precision and power. This jaw-dropping demonstration highlights the excavator's versatility, not just for digging and earth-moving, but for handling and demolishing large objects with ease. The JCB 100, renowned for its robust build and powerful hydraulics, maneuvers its bucket with such force that the car swiftly transforms into a flattened mass of metal. This scene showcases the machine's impressive capabilities across various industrial applications, from construction to demolition. As the excavator tears through the vehicle, it exemplifies the effectiveness of heavy machinery in recycling and waste management, turning a complete car into manageable, recyclable material within minutes. Our new Liebherr Construction LH30 machine is ready to revolutionize the scrapyard. Featuring a brand new power hand attachment, this machine is set to efficiently process piles of cars destined for scrap. The LH30's advanced technology allows for precise and efficient dismantling, turning bulky wrecks into neatly processed scrap metal. Its formidable claw attachment grips, tears, and sorts materials with ease, significantly enhancing our recycling capabilities. Christoph, our seasoned operator, is thrilled with this new equipment. He is impressed by the substantial upgrade in power and precision, which allows him to handle even the toughest dismantling tasks effortlessly. Watch as the LH30 takes on the scrap pile, showcasing its mighty prowess in our latest operations. Dive into the thrilling world of demolition with our video featuring the biggest trucks and lorries undergoing a crushing and scrapping process. Facilitated by some of the most powerful and dangerous excavators on the planet. These colossal machines demonstrate their immense power as they dismantle vehicles with surgical precision. Equipped with specialized attachments, these heavy-duty excavators effortlessly grip, carry, tear, and flatten cars and larger vehicles. The process not only showcases the raw power of these machines, but also emphasizes the importance of recycling and repurposing materials that would otherwise contribute to environmental waste. Each move of the excavators is calculated and deliberate, ensuring that every bit of metal is processed for reuse. This provides a mesmerizing spectacle of mechanical strength and destruction. Join us to witness those powerful excavators in action, turning what once roamed the roads into recyclable scraps. The scrap shear CI 7000 is a formidable force in the metal recycling industry, designed to tackle the toughest materials with ease. This powerful machine boasts high efficiency and durability, making it perfect for processing a wide variety of scrap metals. With advanced hydraulic capabilities, the CI 7000 effortlessly cuts through large pieces of metal, reducing them to manageable sizes for recycling. Its robust construction and cutting-edge technology ensure precision and speed, maximizing productivity while minimizing waste. Ideal for scrap yards and recycling facilities, the Scrap Shear CI 7000 excels at processing everything from light residential metal waste to heavy industrial scrap. Its design prioritizes safety and ease of use, incorporating features that protect operators and streamline the shearing process. Experience the power of the Scrap Shear CI 7000 as it transforms bulky scrap into valuable recycled materials, contributing to a more sustainable environment.